Good morning, respected teachers. My name is Hemlata Chaudhary. Today I am giving my final presentation on the towards security enhancement in Internet of Things under the guidance of Mr. Manoj Kumar. Outlines of contents are the abstract, introduction, literature review, critical analysis based on literature review, proposed methodology, simulation setup and results, and the conclusion. Abstract: during 2 decades, as an exponential growth is observed in the area of Internet of Things. The reason behind this growth is the human aspiration to connect with most of the things, irrespective of whether these are traditional or untraditional computing devices. Due to very large number of devices and hence huge amount of data generation and sharing, security becomes an important issue. This thesis presents about security in Internet of Things. Many researchers proposed various security and privacy strategies in order to tackle this issue. Abstract. Continue. We therefore need a viable approach to improving IoT safety as the number of high-speed devices rises, thus increasing the threats to safety. Game theory has been used for a long time in many branches of informatics and electronics. I use game theory for the advancement of protection in Internet of Things in this study. We have considered the initial trust value to calculate the next, and on the basis of this we detected the malicious nodes. The findings shows that our approach is better than other approaches. Now introduction. Internet of Things is the network of physical objects or things. These objects are embedded with electronic software, sensors, and network connectivity. This embedding enables these things to collect and exchange data. IoT allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure. It creates opportunities for more direct integration between the physical world and computer-based systems. This results in improved efficiency, accuracy, and economic benefit. Evolution of the Internet. As figure shows the evolution of the Internet in 5 phases like the network, mobile Internet, mobile plus people plus PCs, Internet of Things. The evolution of Internet can be visualized in 5 phases, including the simple network, Internet, mobile people and PCs, and the Internet of Things. Growth in Internet connected devices and objects by 2020, shown by the help of the graph from 2003 to 2020. Growth in the number of interconnected devices reached at exponential height from 2003 to 2020. The figure 2 shows it very clearly. If we look the ratio with the world population, even in 2003, the population was much lower than that in 2020. Even the devices were very few. However, in 2020, the scenario is entirely different. The devices per person were only 0.08 in 2003. However, in 2020, these were about 7. Elements of Internet of Things. These are identification, sensing, communication, computation, services, semantics. Identification means it is important part of IoT. It helps in identifying devices and services. Sensing. Sensing is performed using some type of RFID or sensors. Using sensing property, the data is gathered, which is further analyzed. Third is communication. For sending the data collecting by the sensing devices, communication is most important component. Fourth is computation. For processing data to make it useful, various computations are performed. Fifth is services. The key services in IoT can be classified in 4 categories. That is identity related services related to information gathering, services which are collaboration aware and ubiquitous type services. Next is semantics. Semantic is the capacity to intelligently derive information to provide the service needed. An example of Internet of Things is shown by the figure, by the smart houses, cycle, bus, car, and other things, trees, etc. Key components of IoTs are the sensors or devices, user interface, data processing, and connectivity. Characteristics of IoT. connectivity, things, data, communication, intelligence, action, and the ecosystem. Connectivity. It need not be clarified very much. There will be a link with various layers of all in the area of IoT software and computers, cameras, other electronics and related equipment and control systems. Things. Anything which can be tagged or linked as connected to it, from household sensors and tools to identified cars. Devices may include sensor materials or components and objects that can be connected to them. Data. The data is the first phase of practice and understanding the backbone of the Internet of Things. Communication. Devices are connected to enable them to communicate data and analyze this data. Very communication may occur very short or long distances to very long distances. Intelligence. Big data modeling has taken up the role of perception as well as sensing capabilities in IoT devices and technology. Action. The result of intelligence. It may be human intervention focused on augments about anomalies and automation, always the most relevant bit of knowledge. Ecosystem. The location of the Internet of Things in certain technology, cultures, priorities, and the picture of the IoT. Applications of IoT: smart home, wearable, smart city, smart grids, industrial internet, smart retail, smart supply chain, smart farming, environmental monitoring, healthcare system, and transportation systems. An example of a smart home is this shown by the figure. Healthcare trends are also shown by the figure. Key challenges of IoT, that is inadequate testing, brute forcing attack, IoT malware and ransomware, IoT botnets, data security and privacy concerns, small IoT attacks, AI and automation, home invasion, remote vehicle access, unreliable communication. Literature review. I have reviewed about 50 latest and most relevant papers in the area of game theory in Internet of Things. In this paper 6, authors summarize significance and principles of the distribution of benefits of Internet of Things. In this paper 7, a repeated game model algorithm for detecting malicious nodes is built, and the algorithm of quantum response equilibrium is used for optimizing the model and making result reach the Nash equilibrium. This paper 8 proposed an energy-aware trust derivation scheme using game theoretic approach which manages overhead while maintaining adequate security of WSNS. This paper 9, a decision support approach that minimizes security risk in the above scenario. Authors propose a non-cooperative two-player game entitled Prosumer's Selection Game. In this paper 10, authors presented a game theoretic approach used in Sensomax, an agent-based WSN middleware that facilitates seamless integration of mathematical functions in large-scale wireless sensor networks. In this paper 11, authors model the resource allocation for such situations as a cooperative game between the base stations of two cells where a pair of D2D users are located and develop an algorithm for determining the bandwidth allocation at each station for maximizing the total utility of both stations. In this paper 12, authors proposed a game theoretic approach for trustworthiness-driven user recruitment in mobile crowd sensing systems. In this paper 13, a novel anti-jamming strategy for OFDM-based IoT systems is proposed, which enables an IoT controller to protect the IoT devices against a malicious radio jammer. In this paper 14, authors propose that a smart attacker would attempt to mask his attack in the inherent uncertainty of the measurements and attempt to manipulate the distribution of measurements as covertly as possible to affect the final meaningful value that the system would result in. In this paper 15, an IoT D2D cooperation framework for task allocation among objects in the IoT is presented. Proximity services based on device-to-device communication are used to enable direct interaction between IoT objects. In this paper 16, a signature detection technique for attack confirmation is proposed. However, the activation of anomaly detection for low-resource IoT devices could generate a high energy consumption, specifically when this technique is activated all the time. In this paper 17, authors study the problem of defending against attacks in honeypot enabled networks by looking at a game theoretic model of deception involving an attacker and a defender. In this paper 18, authors propose a framework based on network formation game for self-organization in the Internet of Things. In this paper 19, authors proposed a nested game theoretic technique for computation offloading algorithms. In this paper 20, a device association algorithm is proposed to consider the diverse association requirements for human-to-human devices and the Internet of Things devices coexisted in heterogeneous cellular network. In this article 21, authors explore some non-conventional game theoretic models that fit the inherent characteristics of future large-scale IoT systems. In this paper 22, on the basis of the new emerging technologies of Internet of Things, authors introduce a new approach for smart traffic light control at intersection. In this paper 23, authors propose a novel game theoretic technique for efficient and dynamic storage allocation in cloud-centric IoT systems. In this paper 24, authors proposed a game theoretic approach for an IoT-based employee performance evaluation in industry. The system infers useful results about the performance of employees by mining data collected by the sensory nodes using the MapReduce model. In this paper 25, authors addresses exchange mechanism, which is a useful theoretic basis to make secure electronic commerce and electronic businesses transactions possible. In this paper 26, a framework for IoT-based activity monitoring of defense personnel is presented to detect the precursors of suspiciousness in terms of information outflow that can compromise the national security. In this paper 27, authors proposed a novel optimized routing protocol for opnets that uses game theory for selecting the best possible next hop to forward data packets efficiently. In this paper 28, authors demonstrate that the resistance can be undermined by providing lower off-chip power supply voltage. In order to address this issue, authors then further propose to monitor the off-chip power supply voltage and trigger an alarm to protect valued information once the power supply voltage is lower than the expected voltage. In this paper 29, authors describe a new technique enabling to detect attempts to attack the Internet of Things devices. A game theoretic mathematical model of attack on IoT devices is suggested for this purpose. This technique enables to fix the attempts to crack Internet of Things. In this paper 30, a game scenario is formulated where nodes compete for network resources in a selfish manner to send their data packets to the sink node. Each node counts as a player in the non-cooperative game. In this paper 31, authors propose a game theory-based vulnerability quantification method using attack tree, which consists of 3 steps: game strategy modeling, cost impact analysis, and payoff calculation. In this paper 32, authors presented a clustered lightweight gossiping algorithm for resilient event-based communications among the sensors without requiring a pre-deployed brokering infrastructure supporting the adopted publish or subscribe protocol. In this paper 33, a collaborative security detection method is investigated for the Internet of Things systems. Consensus protocol is utilized to implement the information sharing and fusion in a collaborative manner. In this paper 34, authors focus on non-cooperative dynamic game with AND devices for the game players and IoT gateways for the selection strategy. The utility function is derived from the characteristics of players and IoT gateways. In this paper 35, authors considered FC network consisting of a set of data service agents who manage a set of FNSs that provide the required service to cloud clients. Setting service price based on dynamic demand is an important application in the cloud computing. In this paper 36, authors investigated and provide a reliable and adaptive cognitive ratio protection methods against the jamming attacks, thus improving the performance of the wireless network of IoT technology, enhancing the bandwidth and solving the issue of the scarcity of the frequency bands. In this paper 37, a security reputation model using as AlexNet convolutional neural network and dynamic game theory is proposed, and it is used to protect the privacy of health data in Internet of Things.